Hi, this is Anil speaking. Welcome back to the demo video of my grocery list mobile application. In the previous videos, you had seen some of the functionalities in this particular application wherein you created this sample list and you added items to that particular sample list. And then you modified the sample list by adding and removing the items and moving the items from the sample list to a newly created grocery list. Now, in this particular video, I am going to walk you through some of the most commonly used functionalities in this particular application. When you go for grocery shopping, it becomes very tricky to keep track of items that you have bought and you have not yet bought. I have tried to solve this particular problem in a very ingenious way. What this particular list does is it not only shows you the items that you have added for shopping, you can also keep on check marking as you collect that particular item in your cart. All you have to do is click on that particular item to indicate that it has been bought. So assume that I am going to buy Bengal gram. All you have to do is click once on it. You can observe that one item has been bought. It can be indicated even in the category. So there are totally three items under cereals and pulses, and one of those has been bought. It also indicates in the top bar overall out of 7 items, one item has been bought. And as you keep on buying more and more items, this number keeps on changing. So you bought all the items here, 1 out of 1, and here also 1 out of 1 under cold drinks, and under the cereals and pulses you have bought 2 out of 3 items, and in the overall you have bought 4 out of 7 items. Now if at all you want to see what are the items you have bought so far, you have to click on the filter icon with the green color. Click on that, it will only show those items which are indicated as bought. Now if at all you want to see items that you have not yet bought, all you have to do is click on the filter icon with the red color, and then it will show the items that are not yet bought. All you have to do is click to indicate bought, click to indicate bought, and if you once again click on the red colored filter icon, it will only show those items which you have not yet bought. So as you can see, 6 out of 7 have been bought, only one is remaining, that is spices, garlic. And if at all you want to see what are all the items that you have bought, click on the green colored filter icon. You will see the items that have been bought. And if at all you want to see all the items, irrespective of whether bought or not, you can click on the show all option here. It will show once again all the items. Another important feature that I have added as a part of this particular application is sharing of the list. You can see that there is a share icon. What this particular share icon will do is whatever that you see in this particular list, that will be shared from the application to any other application. Assume that you have a certain set of items that you wanted to buy, and unfortunately some of the things you could not find in the shop. So in this case it is garlic. Garlic is not available, and you want to send this information to one of your friend who is in a position to buy some things while coming from the office. All you have to do is click on the share button. Since I am showing it on the emulator, I can only show you the messaging capability. What you can also do is you can share it via WhatsApp, or you can even mail it, or for that matter any other messaging service that you might be having on your mobile. So just for demo purpose, I will enter some number here and send, and you can see that it will send the item that you have not yet bought. Instead of that, you want to send the items that you have bought. That can also be done. Just select the bought items, and then once again, and you have to select the number to whom you want to send, and then click send. In case you want to send the whole list, all you have to do is select all. So basically, what you see on the screen, that can be shared. And when you go back to the previous screen, it also shows in the list itself how many items you have bought so far. So in this case, you have bought 6 out of 7. So with this particular video, I have covered almost all of the major functionalities that are there in this particular application.